Big news that's coming in connection to this story now. Podcaster Ranveer as well as Samir Raina now continue to be in the eye of the storm. We are being told that police has also reached the Habitat studio. This is the same location where the reality show was shot. Complaint against the reality show and the panelists has already been made. Maharashtra CM Fadnavis has joined the condemnation. We are seeing an all-round outrage. Even the most liberal voices now come out and say that this is not the sort of language and the content that has to be dished out on social media. My colleague Shweta joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Shweta, even the cops now have reached the Habitat studio, the location where the show was shot. Exactly what's happening as far as the investigation is concerned, and are we looking at some measures now being taken against not just Ranveer Alabadia but also Samir Raina?
Right, Ashish. In fact, we are present at the same location. This is the Habitat studio, and just a short while back, in fact, Mumbai police has reached at this location. The Khar police specifically, they have taken the team out and see the exclusive visuals. In fact, we are showing you the exclusive visuals, how the team had, in fact, reached here just a short while back. And as per our sources, it has been said that they have reached here for the primary information. In fact, the initial details, what we are able to seek is that they wanted to know the time of the show when it took place and how many shows they have conducted here and what are the whereabouts, location. And here we are showing you the cops from Khar police station. They have reached here. Remember, when it comes to Samir Raina as well as the Beer Biceps, he's popularly known as Ranveer Alabadia. Now he has sparked a huge controversy when it comes to the kind of derogatory remark what he had given during the show India's Got Latent. Apart from this, remember, when it comes to this particular show only, Ashish, this is not the first time that it has caught attention. In the name of dark comedy, we have seen the obscenity. You talk about vulgarity, nudity, such kind of content has always been on peak, and here we are showing you the visuals of Mumbai police reaching here to the Habitat studio. Now remember, the initial details are being sought by the police. This action comes amid the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis. He very categorically stated that if the limits are being crossed, the action would be taken, and to ensure to gather all sorts of information, the cops have reached here. And moreover, what we also understand is that when it comes to the other comedian, when it comes to Samir Raina or Ashish Chalchirani with them, several other factors are also being seen. They also will be questioned, but here we see that the Mumbai police, the cops have reached here at the Habitat studio located in Khar, and just a short while back we have seen that how Mumbai police has come here to inquire and get the primary details from this particular studio. How many shows have been conducted here? Remember, this is the place where the kind of shows have been taking place.